I'm going to show you how to preview PSD files and some other files that are not supported in the File Explorer. Now take a look at this JPG. You can see we have the preview on the right side, and for the PNG we have the preview, but when it comes to the PSD there is nothing, and the PDF doesn't show on the right side. Now I'm going to show you a very easy way to solve this problem, not just for the PSD file but for other files that are not supported. Open your browser, then go to this website. I will leave the link in the description. Once you're in this website, scroll down, click on latest, scroll down again. Now you're going to choose the file that is suitable for your device. I'm going to go for the Sage Tom 2K setup.exe. Click on that. Navigate to the file location. Go into the setup.exe, right click on it, then run as administrator. Don't panic when you get this prompt. I can assure you that it's safe to run this file. So click on more info, then choose run anyway. Choose yes when you get that notification. Click on next, install it, click on finish. That should automatically restart your File Explorer. Click on next here, then get started. So here is the Sage Thumbs application. We don't have to do much here actually, just ensure to toggle on the enable thumbnails. If you go into the file types, here you can see all the supported files. So long as you're using this application, all the files listed here will be viewable in your File Explorer. Now let's test this and see how it works. Click on the PSD. Now we can see the PSD file is visible as a preview on the right side. And that's the same case with the PDF, and this actually works. This tool is very useful for people who work with different types of file formats. So if this helps you in any way, subscribe to this channel as I post content like this on a regular basis. See you in the next one. Bye.